I've done it again. I found my way back in Seattle this time. It was around, holy crap, I'm gonna die. I think it was 80 or 95 degrees back in, the St. Louis region. And I fly all the way out to Seattle and it's 59 degrees. I don't know. Yeah, I left your shit there. I don't even care. I've made the mistake of walking away from a bag left at the airport before, and I don't think I'll make that mistake ever again. Taking 42 years to clean sunglasses to go out into overcast. Can you tell me why that's going to make any sense? It's for the what?
It's for my aesthetic. Matches my aesthetic, my style.
I don't understand what you're saying. I don't have style. I have this. I think I can't get the camera to show. I have. Hold on.
That's your style.
Here, I have this. You didn't even you can't see that. This is not a mirror. God. You gonna what?
I'm gonna say something about my
Hold on now. You ain't gonna embarrass me. I'm not embarrassable. Is that a word? Whatever. Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look. Enough people are here giving me that. Oh my God, look at him. He's a vlogger. Look, actually, nobody's really doing any of that. You say what?
Are you even vlogging?
No. Well, I guess I am. This goes on the next episode. Duh. Yeah. If it's interesting enough, it's part of the life. Oh, I like this. Look. Give everybody. Like, we did not agree to this. I just want to eat.
That's so obvious. So
I don't care. I just want to eat. I will walk around with a freaking cinematographer or a big C200 or I had a stick, I had a boom mic. I don't care. I just want to eat, not something wrapped up and overpriced by 300%. Welcome to Seattle again. Oh my God, these are, excuse me. Sorry, these are so cute. Krista, do you think these are so cute? Oh, excuse us, by all means. No, you're cool. You think these are so cute?
I'm in the way.
I'm in the way for as long as I'm in the way, then I'm not in the way. Hey, you think I should get a jacket like this? I can wear it. It'll fit me. I got a little bitty body. See? My arms can fit right in there. Right in there. When is Megan gonna get here? Nah. And live music. I like. I just need something to eat. How do the trees remind you of Twilight? I don't remember Twilight.
I imagine it was filmed in Seattle.
Overcast all the time. I thought it would probably be like, yeah, that makes sense. Not allowed tax anymore. Kind of tired of it.
What is no.
Y'all just need to let me find somewhere we going to eat. Which one? The honey teriyaki salmon seems like something you can eat. Easy as hell, but this is nice. I like the clouds on one side, sunny on the other. It's Toyota everywhere. You're gonna have the Toyota Highlander, the Toyota Tacoma, the Toyota Tundra, the Toyota everything. The Lyft and Uber drivers just know what they need to trust. Finally arrived at my good old buddy's house. And it looks like Joe is showing Megan and Krista all of the greenage, mountains, you know, the lake house. I like his house. I need to get one like that. Yeah, I love this little area. Big area. Feels nice out here. Like, honestly, even though it's overcast, it's kind of comfortable. It's about 70 degrees right now, and it feels absolutely great. Trying to figure out what we're going to end up doing today. Another hike is in the midst of it. Some, what are those things called? Paddleboarding? And some jet skiing, I know, is in our future. Even though the water might be extremely freaking cold. I don't know how I'm going to really... I don't know how that's going to... gotta do it. But I'm currently waiting on Curtis, and I am very, very hungry.
47, right? Curtis, you said? Yeah, except 47, yeah. So, a little bit past here is ski fields in wintertime. About another 10 minutes, 15. You gotta pee?
I really gotta go.
Yeah, so we will.
You're close. All right. But you still should walk straight, though. Joe likes to build anticipation. Krista, still walk straight. He said don't look. He said don't walk left or look left yet.
Don't look left, just wait.
I don't feel like it. And she.
I haven't looked yet.
Take a look, take a look.
Oh.
So in winter time, because it's cold and the breeze and the water spouts, there's all icicles all along here. And this is actually...
Let's see. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. Look at that. That's just perfect. It would really suck if I lost my phone down there. Goodness gracious. I gotta say, it is kind of pretty though. Goodness. You see, my arm's not as long as Joe's. Not. Hell.
What kind of dumplings are it?
You can get, there's vegetarian ones, there's chicken, there's shrimp and pork, there's just pork, there's pork and crab.
Just some. These are dumplings. These are ribs. I forgot. Shrimp what? Oh, my bad. Oh. Okay. No, Katie's. You know what, Joe?
Yeah. You like that?
You need some milk after that. I need some. I feel like I need a glass of milk after that. The what?
The original Starbucks.
It started in Seattle?
Yeah. And that's the original store that we were trying to get a coffee from.
Yeah, see, it ain't. Nah, it ain't that serious. I guess it is, but nah. About my area, but they forever building something. The cranes just stay everywhere. What? Oh yeah, all day long. I don't know what you thought.
Why aren't you a vlogger? Right.
I'm not a vlogger.
Oh, brother.
Bro said, let me light that
We
up.
got 3 bites.
It's very nice. I feel very like that. It's very close to one of those.
I just don't know how some of these seagulls and pigeons gonna feel, cause I kick the shit out of them. Go just stand there. It's like, nah, you gonna move around me. I'm eating. Like, excuse me? Let's see what I'm.
Oh, really? That's in Arizona?
Mm-hmm. Honestly, it's the first one I've ever been in.
Oh, really?
I always, like, just don't go. I think my cousin Sylvia loves going to these type of places. I see Joe bumping into people, just like, he just looks so deterred or disturbed, like, ugh, get off of me. Joe, like, peasant, move. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's
Can't complain.
lovely. I'm glad so. I hope it even gets better for you. Right on. Yeah, I saw the octopus. Oh, I like it.
Yeah, that makes sense. I don't want fruit. I don't know where I have fruit.
I have that effect with people.
I know it's because of all the fish, but oh my God, this smell. It's really strong. Yeah, I need to get the hell up out of here. I don't see how people can stand this. And they could just stay in this shit. What?
Oh gosh,
You say what?
nothing.
You-
I don't know what that is embarrassing. I don't even see Joe so tall.
Right, and oh, there you go. The tall gray shirt guy. Oh, that's what you were talking about? This sign back here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's famous?
Super famous, yeah.
I know nothing of that. I don't know if there's a cup of coffee that damn good in the world for me to stand in a line
Well,
that
it's
look
sort
like
of showing
it's
the
at
old, like
least.
that's 1912. That store was opened in 1914.
Okay, but is it gonna be the same coffee though?
I know. Yeah, it's the same.
I guess it's the experience. I waited in line for 25 minutes to get my double mocha coffee latte, whatever, with caramel and extra fluff. And I only paid $22 at the original Starbucks. What is it for tall or venti or something?
Yeah, we'll try the salmon hatchery on the way back, and then we'll come get your stuff and then check into your place. Good.
That's the view. All right, that's where you get to just sit and have this lovely view right out there. You can see that. I mean, I like it. It's nice. She broke something.
I thought that was the car next door.
He said, let's turn it on the sports now.
Yeah, I think that's the only.
That's what you doing?
The only on Netflix, I think yes.
Come on now, look out. Hey. Oh, this is the bedroom.
Yeah, sure, the bathroom, I guess.
Oh, damn, I did Curtis bogus then. I did it again, Curtis. I did it again. Oh. Okay, one of these are the... Oh, it ain't no ceiling light.
Your bathroom's inside your room.
Oh, we share this one?
Well, there's no door for him to use it.
How is it no door?
It's just
Oh.
bathroom.
I did it again, Curtis. You gotta be quick, drink. You gotta be quick with it, bro. Curtis don't be good. He like, nigga, I got the TV. I am fine. You say, give me the TV, the access to. At this point, Curtis.
You got that banging and stuff at 7 a.m.
Oh, you're trying to make it sound like it's a bad thing. This is cool.
What was our fireplace? Right there, man.
Yeah. Oh, I was in the wrong way. Walk in front. Who brought Killer Chris out here? Hold on. Okay. Get that heat. Hold on, y'all. Hey, y'all move back. She got that fire. Come on, Megan, with all that fierceness. All that fierceness, get it to him. You ready? All right, this Giraffe Joe up, baby. We got Giraffe Joe to the team, baby. Go ahead. Let's, It's all good, baby. It's all good. We getting this. We getting this stuff. Yeah. I'm the cheerleader of the team. Okay, Joe! Yeah, you was that up. My goodness. Oh, that's sweet, baby. You only got two? You only got two? The anger that is ensued right now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Truly appreciate it. It's going to be good. And it's about to get in my belly. Let's go.